Layout. In layout we have margins. Margin is the space on top, bottom, left and right of the document. You see this empty space where nothing is written. On the top empty space, nothing is written. On the side and on the bottom where nothing is written, it is called margins. We have left, right, top and bottom margins. By default, margin size is 1 inch each. It means on the top we have 1 inch space, meaning 1 inch space from here, 1 inch left, 1 inch right and 1 inch bottom. We can change this as well. Orientation. Orientation is portrait or landscape. This right here is portrait. If I choose landscape, the document will look like this. This is landscape. Size of the paper. By default size is 8.5 inches by 11 inches. So 8.5 inches like this and 11 inches like this. Vertical 11 inches and horizontal 8.5 inches. You can choose different sizes from here. So when you want to print, then you should have the same size of paper. For example, if the size is 8.5 by 11 inch, which is also called letter, you should have the same size of paper in your printer. Meaning 8.5 by 11 inches paper you should have in your printer if you want to print this page. Columns mean you want to see your text in different columns. This is one column, meaning everything is in one column. If you choose two columns, there will be one column and one two column. Like this. Line numbers. Line numbers simply gives a number to every line. It's automatic. So instead of counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you can insert line numbers. So it can tell you how many lines you have. Hyphenation. Hyphenation means when you are writing something, some words cannot fit on a margin. So if a word does not fit on a margin, for example, if I write here this word is reorganize. Reorganize cannot fit into this margin. So if we don't choose hyphenation, what will happen? This whole word reorganize will go to the next line. If we choose hyphenation, whatever part fits on the margin will stay on the margin and the rest will be down. For example, this is reorganize. This is not re and this is not organize. This is the whole word reorganize. How do we know? Because there is a hyphen here. Hyphen means that this word continues. This is not the end of the word. And then this word is not a new word. This is continuity of the previous word. This is what hyphen means. This is page number 1. I go to page number 2. I have 2 pages now. I would like to change the orientation of page number 1 only, not page number 2. Orientation, landscape. You may note that the orientation of page number 1 as well as page number 2 has been changed. But I only want to change the orientation of page number 1. This is where page breaks come into play. This is page number 1. Layout, breaks, section breaks, next page. I have 2 pages. I would like to change the orientation of page 1. Orientation, landscape. You may note that the orientation of only page number 1 has changed. This is the use of page breaks.